All right, guys, how's it going? Today, Mindtown announced that it was Bedrock compatible, and I want to show you guys how to link your Bedrock account to your Java profile, along with the differences between both versions. So, I guess we'll just jump right into it. All right, guys, so the first thing that you're going to want to do when linking your Minecraft accounts is you're going to want to make sure that you have both your Java and Bedrock accounts logged in to the Mindtown server just for linking purposes only. All right, so now that we're on the Bedrock edition of Minecraft right now on the menu screen, we're gonna wanna click play, go to the servers list, scroll all the way down, go to additional servers, and you're gonna wanna click add server. And when you add server, you're gonna wanna keep the port at 19132, and the IP address for Mindtown is the exact same as it is on Java, which is mt.gg. And from there, we can just go ahead and join the server as you would a normal Java or Bedrock player. And now we're logged in. All right, and now that we're back on our Java account, we're going to want to go ahead and check the tab to see if our Bedrock account is logged in, which in this case, my Bedrock account is asterisk penguin in Fiji. And to tell Bedrock accounts apart from Java accounts, you're going to want to see if they have an asterisk at the beginning of the name, but that is only for unlinked accounts. And from here, what we're going to want to do on a Java account is we're going to want to go ahead and type in /link account. And then after that, we're going to want to type in our Bedrock account gamer tag along with the asterisk at the beginning. That's very important to make sure that you have the asterisk type in. So we're going to go ahead and type in asterisk penguin in Fiji. And then once we type that in, it'll go ahead and give us a command that we want to go ahead and type in over on our Bedrock account. So in this case, the account that it wants us to run on our Bedrock account is /link account penguin in Fiji, and then it'll have a 4-digit code that you'll want to remember when typing it in on Bedrock Minecraft, because that's what you need to type in to go ahead and link your account. All right, so now that we're back on our Bedrock account, we're going to want to go ahead and type in the command that it gave us, which was /link account penguin in Fiji, and the code in this case was 2543. And then when we type that in, it'll go ahead and link our accounts together, and it'll disconnect us from Mindtown on the Bedrock account. And obviously, we'll just click OK. And then if we go over to our Java account, go ahead and disconnect from it. And then we switch back to Bedrock again, and we log back into Mindtown. We'll be in the exact same location of where Fiji was on the Minecraft Java Edition server for Minecraft Java Edition on the Mindtown server. And now I want to go ahead and go over all the different changes or features that did or didn't make it into the Bedrock Edition version of Mindtown with all of its compatibility features that it does and doesn't have. So blocks like cartography tables, smithing tables, lecterns, grindstones, stone cutters, looms, and beacons all don't work. The UIs literally don't work. So you are unable to use these if you're playing on Bedrock Edition, which is a little bit unfortunate. But other things such as containers like chests, usage on anvils, using your each chest, barrels, shulker boxes, and other containers still work. Even, your favorite jukebox with pig step still works, and your bed also works. This also includes just regular items such as your normal crafting table and the 3 different furnace types. One major difference, though, is that enchanting has changed quite drastically on the Bedrock Edition version of Mindtown. The UI looks very different to what you might see normally on Bedrock or on the Java Mindtown server. And so I'll just give you guys a run through on how to go ahead and use the new enchanting system here with its UI. So what we're going to want to do is go ahead and grab Lapis here. And we're going to go ahead and open this menu here. And what you can see right now is that there are 3 enchant books on the right side, which simulate the 3 enchant types from the lowest level to highest level that you will see normally if you're on Java Edition with your UI menu on the right side. And what you're going to want to do is grab an unenchanted item. You're going to want to go ahead and put it in the very left slot. The left slot is where your item goes. It'll now show the different types of enchants that you can go ahead and get on your item. And then if we go ahead and grab our Lapis Lazuli and add 1, this one will become available. 2, the second one will become available. And 3 Lapis will make all of them be available to the player. I don't know how many levels I actually have, but if you go ahead and click on one, it should be able to enchant. So see here, it requires 30 levels. And in my case, I have 28 levels. So I actually won't be able to enchant this to the max, but I can go ahead and click on the first one right here for efficiency 1. And it'll go ahead and take 1 Lapis Lazuli because it's the tier 1 level enchant. And then now we can't enchant it anymore because it's already been enchanted with efficiency 1. Another difference between Bedrock and Java editions of Minecraft is that Sweeping Edge doesn't actually exist on the Bedrock edition of Minecraft. So these books are all Sweeping Edge books, but from our view on Bedrock edition, it actually doesn't show the enchant of Sweeping Edge. So this is actually a Sweeping Edge 1 book, Sweeping Edge 2 book, and Sweeping Edge 3 book. And my maxed out sword right here also has Sweeping Edge 3 on it, but it doesn't show up. But it doesn't mean that Sweeping Edge doesn't take effect on the Bedrock Edition version of Minecraft. So if you see here, by these chickens, we can go ahead and swipe our sword at one of them, and it'll go ahead and kill all the rest because Sweeping Edge still took effect. And then the final difference that I have for the Bedrock version of Minetown is that your player reach is farther. And if we shift over the edge here, we can go ahead and reach 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 blocks out. Can't reach 7. And if we switch back into Java, we can see that players can only reach 5 blocks out instead of 6 that they can on Bedrock. With that unfair advantage, the server has decided that Bedrock players are unable to participate in official Spleef tournaments such as Saturday Night Spleef. And with that, I think that's going to go ahead and conclude the video. Thank you guys for stopping by, watching the video on how to link your Bedrock and Java accounts on the Minetown server and what differences there are with features that are and aren't compatible with the server. And thank you guys for watching. Bye. Oh my god, bro. Tesla, stop messaging me, Tesla, please. I'll stop flipping the trapdoors if you stop messaging me.